Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best classic foldable mobile phone, the Servo i17 Mini. This compact and nostalgic flip phone offers a range of practical features, making it a great choice for those who love simplicity. So, stay with us for the full product details. Let's get started. Product features. Folding mini phone. A compact and portable flip phone featuring dual SIM support, a 1.77-inch HD screen, speed dial, FM radio, and a flashlight. Dual SIM card plus TF card slot. Stay connected with two numbers at the same time while expanding storage using the independent TF card slot. Music and video player. Play videos and music offline without requiring an internet connection, perfect for entertainment on the go. Built-in camera. Capture life's moments with its simple yet functional camera, ideal for quick snapshots and travel memories. Magic voice feature. Change your voice to sound like a man, woman, or child, making voice chats more fun. 1.77-inch colorful HD screen. Bright visuals for reading messages, browsing pictures, or navigating menus. Nostalgic FM radio. Enjoy your favorite radio stations, news, and music anytime, anywhere without needing an internet connection. Quick dial function. Speed dial contacts with just one click, making calls faster and easier. 3.5mm headphone jack. Retains the classic headphone jack for superior wired audio quality. Mini foldable design. Small yet stylish, the 63x63's 18.8 flip phone weighs just 70 he, making it easy to carry anywhere. Long-lasting battery. A 1000 mAh battery ensures long standby time and all-day communication with a single charge. Pros. Ultra-portable and lightweight. Its small form factor and foldable design make it perfect for pockets or small bags. Dual SIM support. Ideal for managing work and personal numbers on a single device. Expandable storage. The TF card slot allows additional storage for media files. Offline music and video playback. Enjoy entertainment without internet dependency. Emergency flashlight. A handy feature for dark environments. FM radio and voice changer. Adds a fun and nostalgic touch to the device. Long battery life. 1000 mAh battery ensures extended usage on a single charge. Affordable and functional. Great value for those seeking a backup or minimalist phone. Cons. Basic camera quality. Not suitable for high-resolution photography. Limited smart features. No internet browsing or app support. Small screen. Might not be ideal for users accustomed to larger displays. No touchscreen. Relies on physical buttons for navigation. Limited storage. External TF card needed for additional storage. Final thoughts. The Servo i17 Mini Classic Foldable Mobile Phone is a fantastic choice for those who appreciate a compact, nostalgic, and functional device. It's lightweight, easy to use, and packed with essential features, making it a great backup phone, travel companion, or a primary phone for those who prefer simplicity over complex smartphones. With dual SIM support, an FM radio, speed dial, and a long-lasting battery, it's a practical yet fun choice for users of all ages. If you're interested in getting one, check the price link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching Tech Kingo, and see you in the next video.